Why does your scanner show the P0902 engine code? What does it mean? P0902 is a diagnostic trouble code, clutch a actuator control circuit low. This error code indicates the vehicle's computer, powertrain control module or transmission control module, has detected a low voltage or resistance issue within the circuit that controls the clutch actuator. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. What causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty clutch actuator. Clutch position, sensor issues, wiring and connection problems, transmission control module, TCM issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured in 1996. It is commonly found in vehicles like Ford Focus and Ford Fiesta. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.